Hey everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on how to specify the first Threads notification on Threads for Android. Are you tired of missing important notifications on Threads? Well, this feature allows you to specify how you want to be notified for the first Threads notification, ensuring that you never miss an important message again. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that using just a few simple steps. Step 1. Log in to Threads. The first step is to open the Threads app on your Android phone and log in. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Access the settings next. Tap on your profile picture, which should be located at the bottom of the screen. This will open your profile page. From there, tap the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner to open the app's settings. Step 3. Access notifications. In the Settings menu, select the Notifications option. This will take you to a page where you can manage your Threads notifications. Step 4. Access Threads and Replies. To specify the first Threads notification, select the Threads and Replies option. This will take you to a page where you can manage your Threads notifications specifically. Step 5. Choose First Threads Notification. In the Threads and Replies menu, select the First Threads section. From there, you can choose how you want to be notified. For the first Threads notification, you can choose from vibration, sound, or no notification. Step 6. Save changes. Once you've made your selection, tap on the Save button to save your changes. This will ensure that you receive the first Threads notification in the way that you specified. Conclusion. And that's it! You have successfully specified the first Threads notification on Threads for Android using just a few simple steps. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you don't want to miss any important messages on the app. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.